Beautifully and extensively updated, this Johns Landing Bungalow is in a fantastic location. Just blocks to dining, trails, parks, and river access. It's just minutes to downtown, OHSU, the South Waterfront, Lake Oswego, and Sellwood. The covered front porch invites you inside, where you'll discover the best of all worlds, modern conveniences, plus historic charm and character. Extensively remodeled, updates throughout include new flooring, new finishes, fixtures, new interior and exterior paint, AC, and a new gas furnace. The fully updated kitchen is the perfect place to create your favorite cuisine with high-end appliances and a new gas range. This 4-bedroom home of more than 2,100 square feet has 2 main-level bedrooms and 2 gorgeous baths. Upstairs, a spacious, charming bedroom is well appointed with elegant finishes and extra space to work from home or your hobbies. The newly finished basement is a private retreat with an additional living space, a permitted bedroom, and a new bath, plus a large utility room. Entertain or enjoy your morning coffee on the new deck in your private fenced backyard. Other updates include a new tankless gas water heater, updated electrical panel, a newer roof and gutters, plus an attached garage. Enjoy access to miles of trails and river access at nearby Willamette Park. An exceptional, updated bungalow in a fantastic neighborhood. It's all here, ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Alex Velit with Premier Property Group.